¿Qué rollo, plebes? Aquí andamos con otro canal de hot Cheetos y Doritos. Pero esta vez we're gonna top it up a bit, you know? This time we're gonna have a little bit of Tapatito. This time we're gonna be having one join this time. Since since the last one have so many views of the ones that I did con las cosas, so I think it was time to up, you know. This time I bought the hot ass ones. Doing this. Ahorita me va a arder, esto va a explotar mi estómago. Pero ahorita the hot Cheetos son estos. zoom. Estos son pinches hot Cheetos xxtra flamin hats. Luego tenemos los pinches Doritos, I don't know. Y ahora tenemos platos, because there's gonna be 2 people joining us today. Y luego le vamos a poner tapatito. Y ahora vamos a traer el special guest. El greñudo, no way. So he's gonna be joining this. Okay, mira. so he's the one who's gonna be doing this.
What's up, guys?
But
Even I'm gonna take this right off.
Like he's gonna be joining us for this thing.
1, 2, 3, go.
And yeah, so like that's gonna happen. Go turn on the microphone.
Sorry, guys, for the.
Like we got these, so we might end up waking up with a stomach tomorrow. If it doesn't come out by tomorrow, today we'll use it. Cause the video I uploaded, it was supposed to come the day after the second day. It came out 3 hours ago, I think. Let me check, cause I don't remember. Because I want to get this cut, you know. Shit, the question.
Sorry, guys, for the
4th, 2022. So it came out the 4th. So it came out yesterday. I did the video in Wednesday, and it's supposed to be out by Wednesday. I did it Wednesday last night. I stood up until 1 in the morning. No, my bad. I did it in the 2nd Tuesday of August. And I was supposed to bring it out in Wednesday, but it didn't happen. I brought it out in the 4th. I brought it out on the 4th since I was busy with editing stuff, which I didn't have to not do it. So right now we're gonna get on with the process. Welcome to the REP challenge. This is gonna be the challenge where we actually might die.
Alright, ready, bro? Alright, guys.
Ok, so tenemos los papitas, Doritos, los papis. Y luego tenemos los calentísimos. Ay,
Oh my god.
but we're gonna spice it up though. Half a bag each.
Alright, so we're gonna.
Go get some water because we might actually need them. We might actually need them.
No.
Don't mess with this Tapatio. Definitely don't. Go get some water.
Alright, guys.
We got agua, we.
How many?
Bring me 3.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
And zoom in, not that much, but just one zoom.
Alright, one zoom.
Yeah, just one.
Oh, guys, sorry.
How's that? One more. Right there.
Alright, there, guys, sorry. Oh, bro, I mean, just lock us out.
Knock? I just cut out the shower because I just came back from going out and getting this badass.
No, I would just said no.
Taquache.
Can you give us some water?
I got a top.
Alright, but we might die for sure. He said no. This is so
well, this is how it works. We get each one. So yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna he's gonna have half
Go get
of
the
these,
waters. Go get the
and
waters.
I'm gonna have half of these. So it's gonna.
It's basically gonna be like
half and
a
half.
little by little, you know. Like
Well, you guys are not share with me.
Tapatio. You wanna join?
You're not guys are sleeping out here.
You wanna join?
You wanna join?
Bye.
That's his problem.
Alright, guys. Sorry about that.
It's because he wanted to be in the challenge, but he hasn't ate yet, so we don't want him to throw up, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, now we got this to do, you know. Like it's gonna be hard, but
Yeah. Guys, I'm sweaty right now. And like, I hope nothing comes up behind us because that's pretty skippy and scary.
Yeah, that's an alley that we don't want to go. Well, it's not an alley. It's the backyard.
Yeah, it's the backyard.
It leads more deeper into that side.
Yeah, at least like a whole. We will show you in the.
We're not gonna finish them. We're not gonna finish them. It's just that we're gonna go like half and.
Yeah, we're gonna go like we're not gonna finish them all.
Because it's already like.
We will finish them all.
9:41.
Let's open them.
9:41. So we're not gonna finish them because it's about to be 10 kind of. I think.
I don't care. Let's finish them. Guys, comment down below if you want us to finish these 2 bags.
Yeah.
Cause we might die today.
Next time, because right now it's already now. We should have started a challenge earlier, but we went to the soldiers right now. So yeah.
Sorry guys, he needed to take a shower because.
I took a shower. Ya necesitaba un corte de pelo.
So, ¿están listos?
Oh yeah, and I also got an eye behind my hair, but you guys can't see it right now. Cause
Oh yeah,
I'll post it on my TikTok tomorrow, or on my Instagram.
Guys, also follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok. If you guys want to follow me, that's up to him's chat, up to him. But if you guys don't want to,
I wouldn't follow him if I were you.
Hey, yo! Hey,
But
that's not funny, bro.
we're gonna be doing this. So we're gonna do it like I used to do it with my phone here, XR. We used to do it by step. So
Oh yeah, guys,
you guys hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and turn on notifications so you guys be notified every time I come up with a random ass challenge. You might never know. I might get to see the troca tumbadas, you know. Like this channel is for like my life, like how my life works, how it's running, you know.
Guys,
And basically we got 2 of these, so I don't think we're gonna finish them in time. And like yeah, you know, like yeah. So just comment down below, subscribe. Fierro. But subscribe.
do this for us because
Hit 2 likes. If you guys hit this video,
to 100,000 likes, we will do a part 3.
No, just give us to 100 likes and get us to 50. Wait, not 50. I'm almost to 50. Wow. 80 subs.
80.
Share this video. Share this video because we're risking our lives kind of for this.
For you guys, we're risking our lives for you guys. So if we die,
we're gonna have basically a stomachache, you know.
Yeah.
Definitely a stomachache. So yeah, like.
All right, you ready to split them in half?
Oh dang. Oh, go get the limones.
Are you sure?
Yeah, go.
We don't need any
Starting
more.
my own channel.
Go.
Dude, he's gonna lock it.
Well,
Sorry, guys.
Knock the window. Don't break it, but just knock like this. Don't think about going
Open the
like.
door.
Well, we wait for him to come back with the waters. Hey, don't forget the waters too.
Hey, he didn't even open them.
Didn't ma? Lock the window.
Ma, open the window. Open the door. My bad. Sorry, video.
You guys heard that? You guys gotta put laughing emojis in the comments just because he said that. You guys gotta put some laughing emojis just because he said open the window. It's the door, not a window.
Bro. Alright, bro. I'll give you have to survive like this, bro. Oh yeah, guys. I want you also. Can you guys please follow me and just give me 200?
Yo, come on! Forget about that.
Guys, can you give me?
We'll do it later.
Guys, can you shut this? I'll even see the background. Guys, follow
Bro,
me.
I'm this close just to picking them out for the rest of the Hot Cheeto challenge. I'm about to have someone new replace this guy.
No, please, guys.
Because I can't. I look for new people every single day. If you wanna come to replace them, just leave a comment down below. I live in Vegas, you know.
Thank you.
I'll highlight you. We'll be here in my backyard, you know. We'll make some crazy ass challenges like these. Just Put any hot Cheeto. What's your favorite hot Cheeto right now? What's your favorite hot Cheeto? Or,
You guys are locked out.
or hot Tapatio, whatever.
You guys
Just
are not
comment what's your
letting me
favorite
compete.
trip. You know? Comment what's your favorite trip. ¿Qué es tu favorito, papitas?
Papitas, comment down below.
Comenten. Comment. And get us. Or
I'm
bring 2
stuck.
more waters or 5 more.
No.
I just still with that, bro.
Oh, just in case if this water does not help me, I got the hose right there in there.
He used to go like this. Hey, I can shoot you with that water hose.
It's a water.
I'm
It's
just a water
a
guy.
manguerera right there. Attached to the water pipe. So yeah. Me first.
Hey!
Hey, this is how it goes. Papitas,
Alright.
Doritos, y luego hot Cheetos. We're
Hold
gonna
on,
leave the
guys.
hots to
Sorry,
the
I'm gonna put my phone
Here we
on
go.
silent. Alright, have it
Not that much, not that much.
Why?
Porque we're not gonna fit the hot Cheetos.
Here we are.
Are you serious? If you want that much, go ahead, but don't complain. I mean, we used to make it. This guy's already eating.
Guys, my brother fucking
Like, okay,
stop. No more.
it's messed up. Okay, I gotta. You know what? Never mind. I'll do it. The point is that I got hot, but I know they're gonna be that hot, you know?
So you guys are not wanting to compete and start my own gaming channel.
It's not a gaming channel, guys. It's basically an original.
No, I'm gonna start my
Yeah,
own
because we're gonna burn our holes.
gaming channel.
Hey, for more.
This guy's already. You want more?
Yes.
Here. No.
Are you gonna put that too?
No.
Oh my god, guys. Okay, never mind. Never mind.
Do you guys know full Mexican, full gringo?
Oh, yo!
I'm joking. But yeah, like anybody can eat this hot ass shit, you know? Like anyone can, you know? Just even though, just leave the comments down below. But
Comment.
if you're gonna join, hurry up before we start.
Yeah.
I'm starting my own
Hey,
gaming channel.
if you're gonna join, go get a shirt, get a plate so we can pour you some. 5, 4,
Albert,
3,
click on the
Órale!
1, 0. Alright.
You gotta take it forever. Whatever. We're gonna start with
Alright, yeah.
I don't care, go.
that.
Alright.
Exactly. Go on.
Yeah, go on.
Because I'm starting my own gaming channel.
I don't care. Go. God damn. You
Sorry,
guys. You people know how.
I'm gonna crush your card, bye.
Like. Dang, I swear.
I'm gonna take your black card on GTA.
Like. So, okay, so now we got the Tapatio. We gotta make sure we don't burn our ass.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot.
Bye.
Alright, guys.
I want to pour him because he's a whiny baby.
Yeah, it's okay, I thought you was not actually lying, guys, but we might actually. Okay, I think we're doing the RP challenge. Probably. Hey! The more you bought, you didn't put a lot. You bought 2 extras. Okay, never mind.
Oh, it's hot. It's because we're out here.
Alright,
We're out here.
alright, guys, we're scared right now.
Here.
This is our RP move, guy. Yeah.
So hold on, I'm gonna turn the lights back here. They turned off. You know, that's how it works. This guy, I'm telling you, this guy's always with the selfies. Like, we cannot go nowhere without this.
You
guy
are sleeping out here.
Okay!
Okay?
Okay, shut up!
taking- He's gonna drop the camera. The camera's like literally the drop off literally like right under that.
Hey!
Go.
Stop!
Dad.
Stop! Sorry, guys. Hey, remember, do not let the muscle come in my food.
I think we got a little bit of light back there, you know,
Oh
but
my
we'll
God.
try to do our best.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Sorry, guys.
You know what? Here, switch. Since you're not Mexican.
Hey, no!
Switch.
No!
Okay. You. So it's basically the guy who finishes faster, you know?
Alright, you ready? Good luck, bro. Good luck, bro. Good luck, bro.
You're gonna have a
You're good luck, bro. Don't leave me hanging.
All right, you know. Okay, the first thing we touch hands, like we shake it on. Well,
We start the challenge and we start.
yeah.
Start eating hard. You ready?
I'm
Alright. Bro, my mouth is so watering, but oh my god.
This water, but damn.
Oh my god, guys. I can smell it. Like, I'm 2 feet away from this. Or 3. Or 5.
It's one.
No, it's 2.
It's
It's
one.
5.
I'm like not even 1.5.
I'm not giving them no more light. Just
Ready?
one.
All right, whatever.
Alright, oh! You ready? Alright, ready? 3, 2.
We're gonna die. Welcome to the RP challenge.
I'm sorry.
That one off.
Ah!
He's dying. He's dying. We might get a winner. Every drop to idiot.
Oh my god, guys. Look at this.
Hey, wait. It's hot as hell. God damn. Oh, cheese wiggliggers.
Oh, well.
He's taking pictures. But the camera won't go.
Ah, cool.
I have a camera right here. And I'm gonna start mine. Oh. Stop. Someone wants this camera.
Go!
And bye.
Okay, guys. It's kicking in. Mmm.
I wait.
I'm it.
Hey.
Let's go. Guys. Mmm.
I'm gonna beat it.
Try this one. I don't know why. I don't sweat. Me escurre la nariz.
Oh my god, guys. Look at me.
Sweat. What's that, dude? Push it out.
Huh?
Ah, you scared.
Oh my god. Mmm. That one.
Hot.
We go round two. Round two. Let's do round two. Come on. Guys, I win. I'm the champion. So can I get a shout out? For winning?
I can't have spice.
Mother, we do it again. What?
I'm a dog plate.
So, challenge is over.
Bye.
It's supposed to be more.
You guys are locked out.
Here we go, guys.
My water.
Hey, wait. Share. Oh my gosh, my fucking ass is burning up.
It's hot. You want me to shower you in the hose?
What do you mean showing me nose?
Con esa manguera.
Okay. You want me to show you nose?
Whoa, you guys are locked out.
It's hot.
Bye.
Guys,
No more water
Look at
for
this
you.
So,
look guys, I'm sweating. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sweating. Alright, give me more water. Hey. Hey.
le dimos con la manguera.
Guys, I win. Give me a shout out.
Aquí, vení.
Give me a shout out. Can you get a shout out?
Special shout out goes to A2.
No way. Aguilar.
Nope. Special shout out goes to the guy that didn't want to cut his hair
I want to cut my hair. What do you mean?
because
Alright, guys, my turn. Oh, sorry, guys. Are you good?
it's hot. So, special shout out goes to the guy he didn't want to cut his hair,
Oh, am I sweating?
and the guy that looks like the
Sweaty.
guy. Hold on, let me see. And the guy that looks just like the father from Matilda.
Come on, bro. I have to dump.
I got my chocolate.
Matilda's dad. Matilda's dad. He looks just like Matilda's dad if you pull his hair back.
I want both
So-
of you.
This is the end of this video. This is the end. This is the end of the video.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment, follow us on Instagram. And
I'm about to get off.
Peace,
this camera.
guys.
Hold on. Before I go, this is my
hold on.
my Instagram. This is my Instagram, guys. Go follow me. Go pause it and look at it. This is my Instagram. All right, guys.
Wait.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for guys. Thank you.
Hey, hold on. You
Heck no. Thank you so much for watching,
no.
and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Screenshot that.